Hi, I'm Jane from Octagon Security. Today I'm going to be showing you the basic functions on how to use your Texecom Premier Alarm System. I'm going to show you how to set and unset your alarm, part set your alarm, and how to use your proximity tags. To set your alarm on a full set, enter your 4-digit code. You will then be asked if you want to arm the system. You then press yes, which will then start their exit timer and tone, and you can now leave your property. To unset your alarm, you enter your property. The entry tone and timer will then start, so you walk to your keypad and enter your 4-digit code. To set your alarm on a part set, as most of you may call it night set, you enter your 4-digit code. It will then ask you if you want to arm your system. You then press part, which will then say, do you want to evening arm? You then confirm it with the yes button. You now leave the area and the alarm will then set. To unset your part set, you walk to your keypad and the entry tone and timer will then begin. You then enter your 4-digit code, which will unset your part set. To set your alarm on a full set using your tag, present it to the keypad. You will then be asked if you want to arm your system, so you present the tag again, which will then start their exit timer and tone, and you can now leave the property. To unset your alarm on a full set using your tag, enter your property and the entry timer and tone will then begin. Walk to your keypad and present it, which will then unset your alarm. To part set your alarm, as some of you may call it night set, present your tag to the keypad. It will then ask you if you want to arm your system. You then press the part button, which will then say, do you want to evening arm? You then press yes to confirm you want to set this area. You can now leave the area you're in. To unset your alarm on a part set using your tag, walk towards the keypad and the entry tone and timer will then begin. Present your tag to the keypad, which will then unset your part set. To change your code on a Texecom Premier Alarm, enter your current code, followed by menu, followed by yes. This will take you into your menus. Keep pressing the down arrow till it says change code. You then press yes, followed by your new code. You then press yes to confirm that code that you've entered, and then you can now keep pressing down till it says exit, and your code has now been changed. If your alarm is activated or has a fault, enter your 4-digit code to silence the alarm. The fault or activation will then appear on the screen. Enter your 4-digit code again, followed by reset to clear the fault. To view any event that's happened on your Texecom Premier Alarm System, enter your 4-digit code, followed by the menu button, and then followed by yes. This will now take you into your user menu. Press yes again, which will then take you to the list of all the events that has happened. Use the up and down arrow to toggle through the dates and times of any event that has happened. To exit, you want to press reset, followed by reset again, which will now exit.